Hi everyone, this is Sharan here. Welcome back. Now we had a very, kind of unexpected move in the market today. I mean, really, it was out of the syllabus that it was like, right? But having said that, we had discussed about certain levels, which we said that prices, if remains between this range, there will be people who will sell calls here, and if it breaks and it will move ahead. Uh, Unfortunately, it didn't move out, but it did manage to stay in the range itself, which we had kind of marked. But yes, even I didn't anticipate that kind of a N-shaped, whatever you would like to call it as. This is an N-shaped momentum. Now, a few things that are happening right now in the market, which we will see. First of all, there is a trend line that I can see, one straight trend line which is there. The price has come near it. So we'll keep that in mind. One is this trend line. Okay. The second one that I can see is a kind of a symmetrical triangle. You can say it would be something like this, right? This is a symmetrical triangle that is kind of formation, right? So there is two, setup number two, that is something that I can see right now in front of my eyes. Third, again, there is a range, right? This is a range that the price is in, which is between 15,600 and 15,400, right? So now these two levels, how do you take a trade? This is on a 1 hour basis time frame. So we will go into a smaller time frame and try and understand where our setups are. There are three things that are happening right now in the market. One is the trend line, the second one is the range, third one is the symmetrical triangle. I don't know wherever you have learned your trading courses. Symmetrical triangle, 50% chances upside, 50% chances downside, right? Trend line can take a resistance, breaks the resistance upside if it orange comes down. This is the second day. I hope you have guys learned wherever you have guys learned it. Hopefully this is what you have learned, right? Now third, again, the third thing that there is a range, right? So you have this range. So as long as, again, there is a 50% chance. So at this point of time, if you see, the market is in a kind of a 50% chances for all the three, right? All the three setups will tell you either the prices can go up or down, correct? I hope this is something that everybody has learned, right? At least I have learned in this way itself. All right. Now, what we are going to do is, if I don't know which is going to play out, either a range will play out tomorrow, right? Or a trend line breakout or up from a trend line resistance, or third is this particular symmetrical triangle. Whichever happens, happens. Okay. As a trader, I am ready to take a trade based on any of these three things. Anything happens, I am ready to take. All right. So let's go into 15 minutes and see. All right. Now there is a 50. This is in a 15-minute range. So as per a horizontal range breakout, if we get, right, see, 15,600 will be an important level for me. It will not only break my horizontal level, but it will also break my trend line, right, which is at 15,630, precisely 15,630, right? I usually look at zones rather than just single points. So if I say 15,600, it is that area around that level. All right. So that is how I look at it. All right. So if tomorrow prices, right, sustains above 15,600 and takes a support above 15,600, we will look forward to buying it, right? That is our first trading setup. First, our targets will be around 15,700, followed by whatever trades we get is maybe about 60-70 points ahead, right? That will be my plan for tomorrow if the triangle breaks out or the horizontal line breaks out, or this one, either of them break out. All right. If suppose the price doesn't breaks out, okay, whether it is opened here or whether it is opened here, as long as it doesn't sustain above 15,630, that is something that I will not do anything, right? Now second, if the price breaks on the other side, obviously we have here and it will go here, right? If suppose the price doesn't breaks, right, and if it takes a support at 15,400, I will look forward to buying based on a confirmation at this level, right? That means I am trading based on a horizontal range ka method system, right? So that's what I said. We discuss a lot of things, what is happening. Not necessary everything will work out, right? As a trader, we have to see what possibilities are there Based on that, we take a trade if whatever happens in our zone. Now, for example, here today, this trade I got because I was under the impression it's a support mila. यहाँ पर जैसे we had this particular inside candle and then I took a trade here, right? This is where I made money today, right? So not necessary everything that we discuss will work, right? So you have to be to that. All right. Now, what happens if the price opens below 15,400? I will be cautious because there is a range here, right? This is again a range. In this particular horizontal range, if the prices comes, I will not be in a very thing to take a trade because this is going to act as support and resistance. बहुत सारा चीज है यहाँ पे, बहुत ड्रामा होगा वहाँ पे. So we will not take any trades if suddenly there is a breakdown around this level. If it breaks your 15,200 level, then we might look into considering to short the market 15,200. All right. If it breaks this level with a confirmation, only then we will look forward to shorting the market. Otherwise, we will not be in that particular zone. Now, if suppose the price, all right, gaps up straight away above 15,800, great. This will act as a, I would like to see how the prices react here, right? And then take a trade. Now, if suppose the price opens here, I would like to see whether it takes a resistance around 15,800 as of now. We will not see the open interest as of now because Thursdays I usually don't look at it because that is when most people start building their positions. Friday is when they actually do a good amount of adjustments and go on a holiday because you have Saturday and Sunday where you can eat the delta, right? I mean, sorry, the theta, sorry, right? The time value is what you will eat. So basically, I look forward from Friday onwards. Now, these are my setups for tomorrow. And if suppose the price opens and stays within this range, no trade for me. Okay, honestly, there's no trade for me because I'm going to get confused. Again, it's going to be the same thing. Unless you have a very strong setup here, we will not take a trade. Otherwise, this is something that I will avoid because you're getting closer and closer in the range. Look at this. The range was between, this was the range, kind of a range that we had, which is here to here, right? Now you have a range which is here to here, right? Now this range has shortened up, right? So as long as this range doesn't break out, it doesn't make any sense to take a trade. I mean, at least I wouldn't want to take a trade. Rest your choice. All right. So only with the price action we close our session here. Tomorrow Friday we will do the thing. All right. We'll see the open interest as well. All right. Have any questions, queries? Please feel free to let me know. And yeah, take care and all the best. Have a great trading session tomorrow.